Welcome everybody. I'm here with my boy Hamish, aka what Teletubby are you? He can't remember. I don't know. Are you Dipsy? Leave a note in the comments because I was sheltered as a child. I never watched Teletubbies. Anyway, this is the 2018 Halloween Revmob Ronald McDonald house ride. Anyway, we're away. Listen to my 300 go. Oh man, it is so overdone. I guess in the States it's like a DRZ with an MRD is overdone. But in New Zealand, everyone has a straight pipe twin 300. Oh, we both tilted our heads at the same angle. That was mega cute. I think we need a Harley burnout first. Was that it? Did I miss the burnout? Yeah, I got a wave. You all can suck it. Formation riding, please. They are so gonna get booted out. I feel completely justified in my anger. And Prius just thinks he knows how to do stuff. Oh, this Prius is going to knock people over. Oh, Lord. Oh, he's a Prius. Oh, he's trying to actually turn left. Why couldn't we go to, like, the Wellington Ronald McDonald house? We're off to the Ronald McDonald house, everyone. Oh, cool, yeah, in Wellington. Mount Wellington! No, actual Wellington. The capital of New Zealand. Oh, I say, we were bowling quite happily and then this rough scallions came with their very loud motorcycles and were revving awful. They were reveling. Oh, we're here. We're here. Yeah, I think I definitely got rid of all my chicken strips on that ride. Awesome! So we're at the Ronald McDonald house-ish. Down. Oh my god, I don't know how to... Oh, we are walking it. We're walking it here. I've got... We're coming... Oh, this is the part... Oh, see, this is the 6-point U-turn lunar test. Mazda's going to have fun trying to get out. Well, I'm just going to turn my bike off. So we've got a bit of a exciting things happening. We got a lot of shrugging of shoulders. Yep. Bam. No. But no, this is going well. This is going well. We'll probably just edit this part out because not a lot is happening. We're going to make it look like a smooth, continual sequence of events. Not ride for, what is it? 9 minutes? Where are we? Yeah? Nah, you're good. You're clear for ages. Hamish, I'm going to cut in front of you. I'm going to do a U-turn around the Stormtrooper. I'm probably going to get kicked now. Oh, everyone, we were meant to be in Grafton Mews. Apologies. Alright, after the Prius, I nominate you to sit as human sacrifice. I offer you as tribute. Go sit in traffic. Oh, Luigi's got you. Oh, well, now you're the awkward second person trying to take credit for something. So apparently kids are going to come out and we're going to go in and say hi to the kids and it's all going to be exciting and we're going to make their Halloween, which is going to be cool. Oh, they're going to bring all the children out. Look, I'm wearing a pink onesie. I'm in the mirror. Oh, now the lift is closed, so... Oh, yeah. Man, we look handsome. We should definitely take a selfie.
Next stop, next stop.
So you hear that? We're going to the next house. That wasn't a wheelie. That was not a wheelie. It was my hand slipped. It's a very, DRZ is a very powerful motorcycle. Oh, look out, powerful R3 coming through. Is this the real Ronald McDonald house we're going to now? Look at us, bringing joy to all the people of the world. We're going to Revmob under the tunnel? Ooh. Please don't kick me out of Revmob. Oh, look! All the Ronald McDonald kids are here. It's literally like trying to herd cats. Come on, shoot, shoot, shoot. Do I need to put it in reverse because it's on a hill? Okay, I think we're going to do a lolly scramble, but you're not allowed to do lolly scrambles these days.
How's it going?
Ah man, that was so cool. Look, we've got a Mr. Policeman over here. We've got... Oh, the kids have come out. We've given out like 27 kilograms of confectionery. Alright, get the courtesy. Alright, so we're all casually waiting to see who's going to lead a group. That's so cool. And now we're not going this way. Awesome. Mr. Audi's not happy. Oh! Nope. Oh, which way are they going? Oh man, this is part of the show where the road gets split up and it just turns to crap. Oh, they'll probably get stopped at that light. Do they turn right down Queen Street? So we should just go right and cut them off at High Street, eh? Yeah. Oh, we're a bus. Yeah, I know, I'm getting out of the way. Go! Look at a right turn. Can we just... Left, 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 left. Oh, there they are. MFers? Oh, they're still stuck at a set of lights. That's brilliant. Oh, here's this Audi guy. Oh. Oh, it's Revmob. Run it, run it, run it, run it. Sounds like a friggin' rocket ship. Where are you off to? Reba, Reba. Right, we're just going to wait for everyone to turn their bikes off and then I think we'll gap, eh? Do an outro, do a cool outro. Do a cool outro. Yo, okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Churr.